Hi friends, it's Wendy from thewendym.moore, and I am doing my unboxing for February. First up is my subscribe to save, and this month I got a Feather the Owl diffuser. This thing is so cute. I should have probably unboxed him first because you know how it comes like with lots of packaging so that he stays protected. But this one is, if you've not seen this, it is like adorable, and I've got a brand new grandbaby coming, so we absolutely have to have this in the nursery because, for one thing, it's absolutely precious, as I've said, but for another thing, it's also a sound machine, and it's got woodland sounds and ocean sounds, so it's going to help that little sweetness sleep, and that's what Feather looks like. I'm going to probably, because it's a girl, I want to give Feather a little more personality, and I love to craft, so I'm going to use my silhouette machine and give Feather some eyelashes. I thought that would be awfully cute. So this one will get personalized for the grandbaby. And then this also came with a bottle of lavender essential oil when you buy the diffuser kit. So cute, cute, cute as can be. Let's see. And then I also got, sorry for getting out of the camera there, I also got my Pure Protein Complete in vanilla. I absolutely love this product. I have it every single morning as my breakfast, and if I don't have it, I notice a difference. So that's why I stick with it. For years, I used the Balance Complete, which I absolutely love the flavor, but it was more carbs than what I needed. So I went with the Pure Protein, and I mix it up with fresh spinach. I use almond milk and avocado, and then I put some supplements in it, and I'll share those with you in a few minutes because I got some of those in my order. Let's see, and then I think there was one other thing in there. Oh yeah, the other thing is just the bottle of the oil that came with. They package it separately, and it's the 5 ml lavender. So that was my subscribe to save order. Then I did a shop order, and in that shop order, I don't want to run out. And I know that there are certain seasons and that Young Living runs out. So I went ahead and stocked up with a few extra bags, another bag of vanilla, and also the chocolate. I wasn't sure how I was going to enjoy the chocolate with my spinach and my almond milk, and I absolutely love it because I also put into there a little bit of peppermint oil, which just gives it an added zing. I also use some Thieves Vitality and some Lemon Vitality every single morning along with that avocado, and I'll tell you about those supplements in a minute. So those two were in a shop order. I think that's the only thing that was on that one. Also, I ordered a multitasker, which is something I use the dark shade for my eyebrows, but I had a customer that wanted it in the light. So I ordered that in that particular order, but I've already delivered it to her. So that is not in there. And also, let's see. Nope, that's this order. So now we'll move on. This is my professional account order that I got. And I'm just going to move this a little bit closer here since we're going down the line. Oh, very good. Here we go. All right, so another bag of Pure Protein Complete because I don't want to run out of this stuff. If you haven't figured it out yet, I really, really, really enjoy using this as my meal replacement for breakfast. Because I'm not a breakfast girl. I don't like eggs at all. The only things I really like are the things that I shouldn't have. The waffles, the pancakes, the hash browns, the sausage. So I try to stick with something that I know is going to be a better health option for me. I start my day off right, because otherwise I would skip breakfast entirely. Now, I ordered 6 bottles of Agile Ease. Agile Ease is our support for our joints and our muscles, and I absolutely don't want to run out of this, and we are prone to run out of this seasonally. So I bought 6 bottles of this. This will keep Ben and I intact for 3 months, and then I'll restock again through my professional account. And I also have a couple of clients that like to use it, so I support them too. And then I also got Illuminize, and I got 3 bottles, I believe, of Illuminize. Yes, 3 bottles of Illuminize. And if you're not familiar with this, this is the one that supports our eyes, especially if we spend a lot of time in front of screens. It's like a blue blocker for our screen time. It's that protection for our eyes. So this, and it's also really good for the skin. So I love this supplement. And my husband's recently started using it, and he said he is noticing a difference when he's using it. Let's see. And then we got Super Vitamin D because we were out of the Super Cow Plus from Young Living. So this is going to take the place of that supplement for me until we get that back in stock. And I tried a different formulation this time. I went with the sulfur zyme powder because I've been taking for years the sulfur zyme in capsules, but it's on an empty stomach. So this one I can put directly into my morning shake. So this is a new addition to my morning shake. And all it is a 1/2 teaspoon of powder put into that shake every morning. And I don't have to wait an hour now before having my breakfast. So that is a real time saver for me. Also, we've got 2 boxes of our master formula, and this is our multi-spectrum multivitamin. And this one, I'll just show you. I opened one and started using it because I wasn't going to get to do a video for a few days. These are individual packets, and inside you've got 2 capsules with powder, 1 solid tablet, and then 1 that is a, there you go, you can see that one now. It is a liquid cap with essential oils. This gives better absorption of the products that you're taking, and you'll find in this multi-spectrum support that you have everything you need. But I love that convenience of being able to stick a packet in my purse and take it with me, especially when we travel, because I don't want to take bottles and bottles of things with me. So that convenience, I can put it all into one bag and carry in my bag and have everything that I need. I don't go without what I need while we're on vacation or traveling. Let's see, and then I got another shop order because we were running low on a few things. Charcoal bar soap, I purchased 2 in this order, and a bath and shower gel base. That means there's no scent added to this. It's just the foaming part or the soapy part. And then I take and use approximately 2 to 4 tablespoons, put it into a foaming hand pumper, add water and my essential oils to get the scent that I want. So I can customize it to how I'm feeling. Right now, I've been using the blend Celebration that I got at convention and a few years back, and I absolutely love. I needed something uplifting. I recently lost my father, and so I've been trying to use oils that are going to support my emotions and just make me feel in touch. And that's why I'm wearing 1 heart in my diffuser necklace today. Love that one. So also in this order is a MindWise. MindWise supports our cognitive function. And this one is just a tablespoon a day. Or is it 2? Let's see. 1 tablespoon or 3 teaspoons daily. So this one is going to, as I said, support your cognitive function. And it's not just for somebody who may be having memory issues, but it's to support that brain health before we have problems as well. Delicious flavor, but again, this one goes straight in my shake along with my sulfur zyme. And then I've got one other thing that goes into my shake, and that is our golden turmeric. And the golden turmeric is the flavor is a mango rose. You can see it again, it's a powder. Serving size is a 1/2 teaspoon. And if you're not familiar, it doesn't smell so good. If you're not familiar with turmeric, it helps us with anti-inflammatory properties. So I like this one because I struggle with issues with my neck. Obviously 6 Agiles in 1 order. I'm using it to support healthy joints. So this one just helps for it's an anti-inflammatory, so digestive issues it helps with, and I've noticed a difference that I'm not feeling the tension and the stress in my neck when I sit at the computer for a long time. So that one's one that I like to go with all the time. I got another bar of the charcoal bar soap because I was just shy of making 100 PV in this last order. And if I did 100 PV, I got free shipping. And I also got a 10% off coupon for a new customer or a new brand partner. So I went ahead and added one extra item so that I'd go ahead and get those 2 bonuses. And in that order also was a chocolate protein. I've already opened this one. I've been using it. As you saw, I had quite a bit of vanilla, so I was ready for a change and having some chocolate. So I opened this one up when it came in. And I just want you to see, when I open this bag, all I smell is cocoa. It's not a terribly dark, but it is a nice, healthy chocolate brown. And you just smell cocoa. You don't smell additives. My husband used to do a shake. Every time I would open it, all I smelled was artificial sweeteners, and it gagged me. This one just makes me feel like I'm having fresh chocolate. Love, love, love it. I hope this has helped you to know about some products that maybe you hadn't tried, and that you'll try some of these things yourself in your own home and see if you don't notice a difference. Our family loves the health benefits that we give from all of the Young Living products. And you'll notice in this particular order, there was only 1 bottle of oils. And that's because I have a stockpile of oils. I have, this whole thing is oils. And then, it's kind of messy, but this is all oils. And all of my other supplements, my thieves, my soaps, all the stuff that I need for my household is all in that closet. So I didn't need to stock up on oils. I find that we use our oils daily in our diffuser. We use them topically. We use them, the vitality, in our cooking and in our drinks. But our supplements are what I need to order to keep us feeling our very best every day through our nutrients. If I can, I'm going to eat anyway, so why not support my small business and buy my own products that Young Living allows us to use. And I want to support my eyes. My dad had glaucoma, and his was the low pressure kind, and that just comes on out of nowhere. You don't have any warning on it. So I want to do whatever I can to support my health with all the supplements and all the oils and all the cleaning products and personal care products that I know are all natural and effective. So thanks for joining me, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Take care. Bye.